It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. So Orlando Pirates nil, Durban City nil. Very, very gallant effort by Durban City. They wanted a clean sheet and they got themselves a clean sheet. We go to the final round of the season next week. It was always going to be nervy if Orlando Pirates does not win today, because that means Orbit College, looking at their picture, if they are number 15, which they are because they lost to Stellenbosch, they will then try all their might to get something out of the game next week. We shall see, of course. Orlando Pirates also are fighting tooth and nail to win the title, so we'll see whether the quality players will prevail, the quality squad, more money will prevail. And of course, it's an away game for Orbit College, even though it's a home game because they're playing it in a different province in Mpumalanga, in Mbombela Stadium. Orlando Pirates not really convincing tonight, trying, huffing and puffing. Yes, they got the possession, and yes, there was 0 shots at goal by Durban City, but Durban City wanted a clean sheet today. Bob Zit, we watched the game together. What did you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, Mr. Nkeho, ngibulise man,
Yes, sir.
ngibulise
Yes, sir.
madoda la studio.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Nkeho, I think into engayisho yokuqala ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi coach Wadu ne technical team yonke nje iphelele. Mina for me ngicabanga ukuthi they undermine Durban City the way ngibone ngakhona. The lineup Orlando Pirates, if Sundowns bewine leya game, I don't think lineup engafana nale. Kusho kona ukuthi when you see umdlalo ofana noSlepe afika kule lineup, I think kule season second round yaqala mhlawumbe umdlalo ofana noSlepe ukuthi bangamletha. So I know yes we can rotate abadlali, but mina bengicabanga ukuthi kuya ngabo beba show ukuthi already igame bayiwinile Mr. Nkeho uma ngabe uyabheka the way lineup ingakhona, because nomdlalo ofana noMakhawule ebenchini, and most of the time kule double pivot kunokudlala uMakhawule nombatha, but today simbona lo yamdlali uMakhawule uhleze ebenchini. Kusho kona ukuthi i-game plan yakhe ucoach bekacabanga ukuthi no uma letha umdlalo ofana noSlepe kungahle kwenzeke lento mhlawumbe account izoyenzeka, but for me ngifuna ukunikeza i-credit kuDurban City. I think they played well Mr. Nkeho. If you can check especially i-game plan abaze ngayo, they understand ukuthi angeke bameshi Pirates pound for pound. Into ekumele bayenze ukuthi babe organized. Bheka i-defense eDurban City the way idlale ngakhona, Umkhize Ncanana, uMashihu, ubheke the way beba defend ngakhona, always maba lose ball position baba ne number emuva, and inamba yabo lapha emuva but close ama space. They don't allow Orlando Pirates ukudlala kuma pockets. That is why you can see really can see Apollo is frustrated, bafuna kuthatha ama shot on target outside the box because they can see ukuthi kunzima ukuthi sengayo breaker layer defense mhlawumbe ngama pockets. So ngicabanga ukuthi Durban City game plan yabo ibasebenzele Mr. Nkeho ukuthi beze ngandlela, because ubona na the way ba dropa ngakhona, uNotata bekadlala as a 10 ukuthi mhlawumbe anga assista lo yamdlali uKamatuka up front, but wenzani always udlala defensive. Baletha two central midfield yabo bayabuya bazo edinamba Bogenpool and Noyagens bayabuya bazo defender la khona umkwena nayo uyabuya ku left uTrevor uzo assist le defense ye Durban City. So ngicabanga ukuthi lento bezele Orlando Mr. Nkeho ibasebenzele, because 1 point ngiyacabanga lento bebayilindele, because uyabheka bebangekho more offensive, bekungana nix enzeka la Durban City going forward. Ngiyacabanga bekase Molman uChina lapha Mr. Nkeho, ayikho into ocabanga ukuthi mhlambe bangaba i-threat ukuthi bangathola mhlambe or ba create la ma chances ukuthi bangascore against Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, just on the point of undermining, I can understand it from the fans' side, and I want to go to the fans as well. Do you think today they would have thought that, you know what, this is the day that we lift the league, and it's at home as well? You put 2 and 2 together, which is Lala home, sitting with 3 points. So for Abalandeli, for the coaches, of course, you still have to take the game professionally. But for Abalandeli, Pirates fans thought today they're going to win the league at home.
Of course Mr. Nkeho, bheke arena benjani namhlanje Mr. Nkeho. Ngiyacabanga bahlala bawashaya ama sold out, but today ungabheka the way bekungakhona stadium begcwele kakhulu. Beze in numbers the whole country, namanye ama country out next la duzane nemzansi bazile beze ukuthi bazo celebrate leya trophy ye-Betway even though bebangeke balithole namhlanje, but iwin namhlanje beyisho kona ukuthi bayayithatha i-Betway Mr Nkewu. So kusho kona namanje uma ungabheka le attendance kumele ikutshele ukuthi beba sure ukuthi Orlando Pirates kumele iwine le game. At least sicala ukucelebrate ekhaya, sithi sihamba siyodlala away sazi ukuthi sicelebrateile ekhaya, sikhonile ukuthi sithole the maximum point. So unfortunately akuzange kwenzeke Mr Nkewu, but give credit kule support. Bekuhle ngendlela isimanga Mr Nkewu lapha eOrlando uma ungabheka the way ama supporter weOrlando Pirates beya attending ngakhona. So ngendlela ungibuze ngakhona Mr Nkewu, the answer is yes. Kwamina nje bengicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates namhlanje iyayirepa yonke lento, iyahamba iya ku celebration against iOrbit.
Yeah, 100%. They tried Orlando Pirates to get the goal, but there was this sense yokuthi number one, they are nervous. Number two, Durban City is limiting them to do everything outside the box. So, kuba crosses from Mufukeng, Maswanganyi, it's crosses or shots outside the box. Abomba Tabo Police as well, because you can't accuse Pirates of not trying. They tried, but they never got a 1v1 with the goalkeeper.
Mr Nkewu, ukuthi iPirates i-trial Mr Nkewu, ubona ngama corner kick ewatholile Orlando Pirates plus or minus 19. Uma ngathi or 17 khona lapho, but abazange kube ne corner kick ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ibanikeza leyo chance iDurban City ukuthi ngaba nama free header, mhlambe goalkeeper enza ama save. They always contest kuma aerial. Kusho kona ukuthi game plan yabo beyinjalo, and ukuthi iDurban City beyazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates manje ngaya wide angeke ibe nebungozi. They allow uHo to go, they allow uReal ukuthi akaye ngapha angakhathi in, because they understand ukuthi if uReal akhatha in uzoba nenkinga. Bheka lo number 10 Orlando Pirates bekanga function ngale ndlela after uTito aphumile, even though Tito bekakhona bekazama ukudlala wide, bazama ukudlala wide always ukuthi bangabi nayo lo number 10. Uba khona number 10 for Police ya drop uza kule position, uReal udlala wide, even though baletha umremi. Uyabona ukuthi bengicabanga ukuthi bazothatha uReal bamlethela ku number 10 bathathe umremi abengapha, then bese uApolice ufunctiona ngale kulela side, but benzani, it's either uyalo umremi uhamba uyo assista lela side elingale ku right, or else uyabuya uApolice udropa lapha njengoba ngisho. So kusho kona ukuthi bayifuna is a wide, because bazi ukuthi mabazoletha amabhola eboxini bazokwazi ukucontesta labadlali, because iPirates izoba dangerous uma ngefuna ukudlala la kule D-line. I-game plan yabo beyilapho beDurban City ukuthi no, let's allow them to go wide, balethela ama cross. That is why sibonile bathola lawo ma corner kick but bangawasebenzisi. Kusho kona ukuthi ama results ukuthi abekho good kulama cross mangabe bawalethe boxini, nako ke ba defender right aboncanana njengoba ngitshela Mr Nkewu. So enye into engithi ngiyayibheka ku Orlando Pirates usibilibili today lela side beyangalisebenzisi njengenjwayelo Mr Nkewu, njengoba ngisho ngithi maybe kubonakala ngathi bebane game plan ehlukile kunalama game abadlalayo badlalile beOrlando Pirates, because most of the time siyambona usibelebele uyafunctiona kulela side la ka right akhathe phakathi emhlambo aPolice or uReal amnikezele sa space, but today uhlezi line even noTito bekahlala kulela line. So ngicabanga ukuthi iOrlando Pirates game plan yabo Mr Nkewu bongiloko ukuthi okay, njengoba sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe iDurban City kungaba i-team ukuthi singayi khona ukuthi siyithole la kuma pockets sithole lawo ma chances, create ama chances, but unfortunately ayizange yenzeke Mr Nkewu. Less creativity ku Orlando Pirates ku final third uma ungabheka, poor ku Hoto uma ngaba fika ku final third. So ngicabanga ukuthi kubenzima for bona Mr Nkewu ukuthi bangaze bathole lela goli lokuthi mhlambe bangathola i3 point belicembu leOrlando Pirates Mr Nkewu.
Let's wrap it up. We go to the final round. Normally in boxing when you go to the final round, by that point, we already know who's leading by a point. Masingena go final round, and the one who is behind ku boxing, ngamaphuzu. Kusho ukuthi masifika ku final round udinga knockout, because on the scorecards, ama judges, there's 3 judges. On all of them, they will announce sometimes ukuthi the other one is leading. Kusho ukuthi lo osemuva, they have to have a knockout punch on round number 12. It's the final round. Who do you give it as the leader? Of course, Ebodini, Sundowns leader, they got the points. Pirates, they've got the opportunity, which is they play a team that's number 15, but there's nothing given because we've just seen now. They thought it was a foregone conclusion with Durban City, so nothing is given in football. Where is your head at? I know on Monday when we spoke, you said Pirates upper hand. Sundowns, of course, if they drop points, they were out of the picture. Do you still give Sundowns? Do you even put them in the picture?
Mr Nkewu, I give Pirates njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi leli Pirates izoyiwina. Uma ungacheka iDurban City ayifani nemagesi. iDurban City sikhuluma ngeteam edlala i-CAF Confederation next season.
Yeah.
So the quality angeke ifane Mr Nkewu, and into engibhekile ku team efana neObit, I don't think bangakwazi ukustop iOrlando Pirates. Yes, ku football kuyenzeka, sinokusho sithi imhlolo iyenzeka, but I don't think iOrlando Pirates angayiluza leya game ku-Obit or i-draw, because iyazi ukuthi kuluza leya game or destroy leya game siluza into esina 14 years silindele. So for me, I can give Orlando Pirates kuleya game eMbombela ukuthi mangabe ngizwe njalo, I'm not sure ukuthi it's confirmed.
Yeah, it's going to Mbombela.
Yes, so uma ngabe vele iya kuleya pitch, khumbule ukuthi
World Cup Stadium.
Mr Nkewu, baningi abake bakhala lapha afikile urile ngama last minute ye-Nedbank, so bajwayele ukuthi mhlawumbe baka-celebrate kuleya pitch Mr Nkewu. So ngiyayinikeza Orlando Pirates, ngicabanga ukuthi ne-upper hand namanje ngisasho i-league isezandleni ze-Orlando Pirates Mr Nkewu.
Oh, it's up to them to drop it.
Exactly.
And I'm sure Sundowns is not going to say thank you very much. My drop Pirates, Sundowns was going to celebrate.
But bayo-celebrate abakuphi?
By celebrate bese Africa. So celebrating ngenhliziyo, it doesn't mean you're going to reject it ukuthi sayifuni.
Yeah.
That's the point of making that. Whatever happens next week, because all results are possible in football.
Yeah.
If Pirates does not win, then Sundowns will have a league, even though they've finished the season 2 weeks before. So Sundowns is not going to reject it. I understand what you're saying, Bob. I'm not even trying to chiga nayo. But Sundowns will accept it if it's put on the table. It will be a fumble by Orlando Pirates if they fumble it.
Izoba Mr Nkewu Pirates ilahle elinye ithuba angicabanga ukuthi angiboni ukuthi bangaphinda balithole, but I do believe Mr Nkewu as ngisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngiyibona ilifta leya league title eMbombela, because ngibukena le opponent yodlala nayo Mr Nkewu. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyoba igcwele le yankundla njengoba sibone iOrlando bengakhona today Mr Nkewu. So I give to Orlando Pirates Mr Nkewu.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. We go to the CAF Champions League final tomorrow, actually. It's a shame, really, because we couldn't really do a proper build-up. If you look at South Africa, there was not really a proper build-up of the final of the Champions League, because we are in a World Cup here and all of these things have to end at the same time. So we took priority with the Betway Premiership ending and potentially Pirates winning today. If you look everywhere, you would not have told Uguti there was a final CAF Champions League. But we hope tomorrow we will watch a fire-cracking game between Mamelodi Sundowns and AS FAR, 4 p.m. tomorrow. Itiske TV, Itiske Times, was betting.
Thank you.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiske TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiske TV.